Did you know that the humble onion is more than just a kitchen staple? It's a powerhouse of health benefits. While often relegated to the background in cooking, onions are bursting with nutrients that have been recognized not only for their culinary uses, but also for their medicinal benefits across different cultures throughout history. From ancient Egypt to traditional Chinese medicine, onions have been used to ward off illness and boost overall health. Stick around to uncover the hidden virtues of this pungent vegetable. First up, let's dive into how onions can be a heart's best friend. Packed with powerful compounds, these humble bulbs are more than just a kitchen staple. One of the standout antioxidants found in onions is quercetin. This mighty molecule works wonders by lowering blood pressure and improving the overall health of your arteries. It acts like a broom, sweeping away the bad influences that might clog or damage arterial walls. Furthermore, onions contribute to cholesterol management. They help reduce the levels of bad cholesterol, which are a significant contributor to heart disease. This combination of lowering blood pressure and cholesterol can lead to a healthier cardiovascular system. So, adding onions to your diet might just keep your heart beating stronger for longer. Moving beyond the heart, onions have a knack for bolstering your immune system. Rich in selenium, a mineral praised for its ability to enhance immune response, onions offer a robust defense against pathogens. Selenium does more than just stimulate immune function. It plays a pivotal role in lowering oxidative stress, which helps your immune system stay in top shape. Moreover, onions are packed with sulfur compounds. These not only give onions their distinctive smell, but also possess powerful antibacterial properties. Studies have shown that these compounds are fierce fighters against bacteria, helping to keep infections at bay. Regularly incorporating onions into your diet can be a simple, yet effective way to shield yourself from common illnesses like the cold. Who knew that fighting off germs could be as simple as adding more onions to your meals? But that's not all. Onions have a role in combating allergies and inflammation too. Dive into the layers of an onion and you'll find quercetin, a potent antioxidant. This compound doesn't just support heart health, it also serves as a natural antihistamine and anti-inflammatory agent. Quercetin can help stabilize the cells that release histamine in the body, which means it's instrumental in reducing the symptoms associated with allergies. Furthermore, studies suggest that quercetin's anti-inflammatory properties make it beneficial for those suffering from asthma and arthritis. By inhibiting inflammatory processes in the body, it can ease joint pain and improve respiratory health. With onions in your diet, you're not just eating well, you're living well. Intrigued by these onion-powered health benefits? Dive deeper with The Altruist and unlock more insightful health tips. From bolstering heart health, enhancing immune support, to reducing inflammation, onions do it all. Remember, sometimes the most common ingredients have the most extraordinary health benefits. Subscribe and stay informed.